Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, big problem. The papaya stem, all this was in one stem, skinny stem. It broke. I didn't put, because the other one, it wanted to break, but we put, how you call it? A piece of cement block, and it's holding it up, and it's already having flowers, and it has a whole bunch of these. But I didn't realize that it was having pressure, because I'm so busy all day. But then I saw that there was papaya all over the floor, in the cement part. And I decided to pick them up. They look green, but they're not really green. They're like pink, like white, lightly green. Why? Because I think that they're about to become yellow. They get light green. And you could bring them in when they have either a stain of lighter color or anything that shows like they're getting light. You could bring home, and you could also finish it off in your house or in your balcony, either way. So I took them all. I'm going to see who wants some, and and the other thing is that I'm going to see if I make juice with it. I found out that juice with iced tea, lemon, it tastes so good. So if I don't find anybody that wants it, I'll make a big gallon of iced tea with papaya. And I know that it's going to be in the refrigerator. They're not going to die. So I don't know if I might put a few of them in the refrigerator and just use the first ones that came out, because the other one got all rotten and I had to throw it out. But I had it in a plastic bag that apparently some water came into it and the water messed it up. So I'm going to make sure I don't do that. I'll probably put it on top of the table or somewhere where, it could have airflow. So saying that, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.